How do you trigger conversations on empathy, diversity, and disability with children in a manner which is fascinating, easy, fun, and at the same time makes people think? We do it through Ginny. She's a 4-year-old girl with radial club hand and is a great trigger for conversations on empathy and diversity. We do make your own Ginny workshops where children make Ginny doll with the paper or other elements and at the same time engage in conversation. If you're a teacher or an educator, join us in this masterclass on 20th November. 20th November is celebrated every year as World Children's Day. Let's meet, learn from each other, understand key concepts that we need to remember as facilitators for workshops like Make Your Own Ginny, and let's spread the message that being different is okay, and let's build a world where nobody feels like an odd one out.